Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series generation 2005-2013, and if your power mirrors guys do not work, we'll show you how to find the fuse for that thing now. So this is the mirror switch here guys, and there is one fuse that controls your mirrors, and we'll show you how to do that. Now we have guys more than 200 videos taking this car apart, so please hit that subscribe button for more videos and we'll keep making them. So thank you for watching, and let's go ahead and start on the fuse. We need to go to the passenger side now, and we need to open the glove box compartment. Okay, right here, open the glove box, and we have that plastic cover that we need to remove by turning those things 90 degrees. Okay, and pull it out. Okay, let me get that cable out. Okay, now this guys is your fuse box here, and we need to locate fuse number 21. This is the fuse puller right here, just slide it out. And fuse number 21 guys, okay, you can see that middle block with 10 fuses there. 21 is the very one on the bottom, the very left one. On the bottom, the very left one. So with the small side of the fuse puller here, we're going to go ahead, grab it. In our case it's 7.5 amp fuse. Okay, let me get the new one. 7.5 amp fuse, and you can find out in the description of the video where we got ours from. And when you're ready to install it guys, okay, make sure that it goes in really good, and gently push it in. If it doesn't go in, it's not aligning, so you need to make sure that everything's aligning. Now we have videos for every fuse in that fuse box, so if you need help with anything, check out the channel. So thank you for watching guys, and see you next time.